How to sign up for IGG. So if you want to sign up for IGG, then first of all open up your browser and then go for the search bar and search for IGG. And after searching here on the first search, you will have www.igg.com. You can click on that. And then you can simply go for the upper right corner, which has this sign in or register option. Click on that. And from here, you have to enter your email address on the first blank. And after entering your email address, you have to click on send. And after that, you will receive a code to your email address, which you have to enter here, which says enter verification code. So you will get the code and then you have to enter that code here. And then you have to click here so that you agree to the terms of service and then click next. And here you have to create a password. So simply enter a password and then here on the next blank you have to again re-enter your password to confirm it, and then you can simply click on register. And that's it. That's how you create your account and you have been logged into your account. So that's how you create your account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.